Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am going to show you a mutton fry recipe which is a popular South Indian dish made with marinated mutton pieces that are cooked in a flavorful spice blend. Come, let's dive into the cooking process. To start here I am taking around 500 grams of washed mutton pieces. Preferably we have to take shoulder or leg cuts. Now for the marination process, take a pressure cooker and add the washed mutton into it. 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, and add around 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix it well, combine nicely, and we have to marinate this mutton for around 1 hour. With this marination process, mutton will be very tasty. Add around 400 ml of water into a marinated mutton. Mix it well nicely once all together. Now close the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 6 whistles. Consuming mutton weekly once or twice, you'll get a very rich protein and iron and good source of vitamins and minerals. And it can also help improve muscle strength and endurance, can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. It is perfectly cooked and it is time to spice it up. Now take a kadai and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Add the shown whole garam masala. Saute for 1 minute. Now add around 1 big size of chopped onions into it. And handful of curry leaves. Saute for 2 to 5 minutes in a low flame. Now add around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Let the raw smell go from ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the cooked mutton into it. And whatever the water is available in mutton, don't throw the water. Use as a soup, or otherwise alternatively we can use as a flavor enhancer while frying. You can use the mutton water to add flavor to your dish while frying. Simply pour the liquid into the pan while frying the mutton and let it simmer and reduce until the flavor have intensified. This will help to create a rich and savory gravy that coats the mutton pieces. Cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes. Close the lid and let it be in low flame. After 10 to 15 minutes, you will see that the water absorbs completely. The mutton water coated nicely to the mutton. Now add around 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder, and this is the masala what I have prepared and I'll use for non-veg. I'll show you this powder preparation in the next video. I'm adding it around 2 tablespoons. Mix it well nicely. See, the color is very nice. And now finally add the cilantro. And that's it. The super tasty mutton fry is ready to serve now. Serve this mutton fry with different types of bread such as naan or puri for a unique twist. And try it out and let me know how it came to you. See you in the next video. Thank you all. Bye bye all.